Want to watch YouTube videos without using data or needing Wi-Fi? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download YouTube videos directly on your iPhone, so stick around till the end to make sure you don't miss a step. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Find the video you want to download. It could be a tutorial, a music video, anything. I'll just grab a random guide video for this. Once the video opens, look just below the video title and channel name. You'll see the like, share, and other options. Swipe along those icons until you see the download option. Now tap on download. Here's the important part. To use the download feature, you need a YouTube Premium subscription. If you don't have it yet, YouTube will prompt you to sign up. If you already have Premium, just tap download, and it'll begin saving the video right away. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Now tap on Library in the bottom right corner of the YouTube app. Scroll down and tap on Downloads. This is where all your saved videos will be stored for offline viewing. You can now open any downloaded video from the Downloads section, even without an internet connection. Try putting your phone in airplane mode. It'll still play perfectly. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.